What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I feel like we got something that's going to be pretty cool. So I finally got new tires in for the rear wheels on the G8, the nicer set that I had. Swapped them out last night. As you can see, these are the old stock ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a local undisclosed spot, burn the rubber off the rest of them, do some burnouts, skids, whatever, and then actually run right up the road to the tire shop, get them swapped out, and yeah, I mean, that's going to be what we got for today. Without further ado, let's hop into it. Alright guys, so just a quick little update. We just stopped, washed the car. We got the GoPro set up in the trunk, and both new 285/30 19 tires in the back, and we are heading to the spot. Can't wait. Alright guys, so we just did our burnout, and I got video of burning new tires, but I just want to show you guys. Look how long those are. Oh my god, that's insane. I can't believe it. I'm pretty sure it kept burning through second. This first set, so this inner one and that outer one is the first ones I did. And that second one was just juicy. And then if you guys see the guy in the background here, that is his name, Josh. He's actually one of my closest car friends in the community. And here, I'll show you his Infinity. I'm gonna show him what kind of wrap job he got done on this thing. And just as a precursor, he did all of this wrap himself. Every single inch of it. I mean, just look at the forged carbon details on the trunk, spoiler, the roof, and the hood. And in the sunlight, this forged carbon just pops so much. And then he's going to be changing his exhaust up, but he did the bumper cut. And then if you can see right here, he has his logo actually imprinted into the wrap. And then right down here is his motto, which says keep God first. Amazing dude, helped me out in every single way. There he is. So I will catch up with you guys once we get the new tires put on. Alright, so what is up, guys? It is now Sunday. After we did the burnout, we went and got the tires swapped out. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, my GoPro cut out literally during both burnouts. I don't know what happened. The second one, I have all the video footage of me driving away and then backing up to where we were. Everything else is just completely gone. Thankfully, Josh recorded a little bit of it, so I'm going to get some of that to him to put into the video. But here's the new wheels. They're a 285/30. They're Federal Evolution ST1s. I believe the price point was about $120 a tire. And honestly, there's a little bit of poke, a little bit more poke, but once I roll the fenders, it's going to end up being perfect. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick view of how they look on the car. I might toss a photo or two I took into there just so you guys can see them a little bit better and more still. Well lit photography. But anyways, so basically the state of the G8 right now, I did pull the headliner out. The headliner was starting to have a common issue, and it was sagging halfway down. So I finally went through the whole process, and you could see when I was talking on the way to the spot that the headliner is out of it. I'm probably gonna end up redoing it in some sort of suede. I'm gonna make that into its own video though, show you the process, what material I picked, what adhesive I picked, how I cleaned up the old one, how I prepped the new one, how I cut it to shape, and so on and so forth. But pretty much as the G8 is right now is where it will be staying. I'm going to do some upgraded diff bushings, diff fluid. I need to do a lower control arm in the back. I believe I have a bushing that went bad, and I want adjustable so that I can correct the camber and pull the wheel back out. What else? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm super happy with the G8 where it is right now, and apart from engine upgrades that I would like to do in the future, I really don't want to change anything, and I don't want to tear it apart because I like driving it how it is right now. Plus, my girlfriend, that's her favorite car to drive as well, since she can't drive standard, she can't drive the Focus, and the Vibe just doesn't have the sentimental value to her like it does me. Not to say she doesn't like it, but it's not as exciting, and I understand that. G8's perfect. But just wanted to give you guys a quick look of the garage 2.0. As you saw earlier in the video, Josh, I'll be giving all these old plastic shelves to him. One of my toolboxes that's left over, all the hardware for that. This is the new toolbox. I put a new heavy duty shelf there. That'll be getting replaced eventually because I realized I can back both cars in here. So one door will open up towards the center. The other door will open up in the gap that will be right there once I mount that off out of the way. The Vibe's gonna end up being over here, backed in. G8's gonna be over here, backed in. I'll still be able to get out and still be able to reach everything on this wall. I'll also have two full-size shelves like this, which this is the Vibe interior. This is driver and passenger seat sitting in here. All the headrests for it. Up there's the bench seat, the axle, all the door cards. These are two 235 40, I believe, or 235/35 wheels, the Vibe spare. I mean, the shelf is very large, so it can fit everything. So once I get another one, that'll be more than enough space. Down here, I have the welder that Josh gave to me since he wasn't using it. It was just sitting in storage. I want to make use of that soon. But that's pretty much it. I love how the new garage looks. I love the new paint. I love the new shelves. I love the new toolbox. And catch you guys in the next one.